If we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
What is going on, my party people? Alright, like you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, ask all the aunties, the uncles, the cunnies, the wahines, the cakeys. Welcome back to the channel. Like I said, just got up work. These shoes just touched down. I am excited to have these joints. Alright, like I said, trying to come with you with different videos, all that good stuff. I'm slacking. So, without further ado, we got these joints right here. Got them. But before we get into a little bit deeper than that, also go subscribe to the 6313 Retro Queen with FlyKOF. Also go check us out on the Who Has the Heat on IG. And we also trying to do our sneaker battle. So if you want to think you got what it takes, make sure you tap in. Now, I know a lot of people like to ask me, hey, what shoe do you wear? Like one person said, it depends, right? I can wear a 9.5 to a 12, right? Just depending on how bad I want the shoe. Like Jordan 5, I can wear 9.5. Generally though, 10 or 10.5. But like I said, I have stretched it all the way out to a 12, depending on how bad I want the shoe, and if it's a steal or a deal. Hey, a steal is a steal. Don't judge me. Alright, now let's get back into this review. Check it out. I missed the first one, the Concepts release. Then I missed the second one, the New Balance release. I was like, man, I'm gonna charge it to the game. But in the clutch, as always, GOAT hooks me up. I guess I reached a certain threshold. Someone hit me, I was like, hey, I put my stuff in. Then whatever I want, if it's on my wish list, within my price, they secured for me. So shout out to GOAT. So with that, here we are. And you can see nice packaging. Got that $1,000 bill. It's one of the part of the currency. This is New Balance Concept. Size 10. Official name Concept X. New Balance 1000. And then it got a colorway is green. Look at that bar. Ooh, nice. So basically, this is inspired, like I said, by Concept off of the New Balance 998. They used to be called C-Note. So this is a tribute to the no longer around or discontinued $1,000 bill, y'all. All right. So as you can see right there, got that currency. Make me think I'm in Vegas. Get that chip. Kind of nice. Then you got your paper wafer in here. You always get your thing saying it is GOAT, signed, sealed, and delivered. And check it out. Look at that green machine. You know what I mean? You feel me? So here we go. Got nothing paper and all that stuff here. Check it out. Green, right? Green. Put that little thumbnail on them so you get this smell. Not bad. But always I like to do the left side, do that little spin-a-rooney. Now I always like the New Balance. I think the 960 might be the best. I got the 550. I got the 1906. I know you got 998. You got all of the 5 series, 574. I mean, you got all these different area codes you got to keep up with New Balance. But for the most part, New Balance are very, very comfortable. And more often than not, I go true to size. I'm just shaking the shoe. Hopefully ain't nobody all nuts, right? As you can see, underneath the bottom, kind of got a little bit similar, I think, to 960, but they ain't got that big booty on the back. But the traction, you see that like so. Then you got a little bit of technology in here on the toe. I don't know, that's kind of rough, but then you got your little mesh here, and you got your 1000. Like I said, represent that discontinued node for the $1,000 bill, y'all. You got your New Balance that they put on the side, and you have on the tongue as well 1,000 concept, as you see, like so. And okay, all right, New Balance, I see you. You stepping it up. Got came with some extra laces. So I don't know. Let me see. What y'all think? Green or the cream? All right. I want to say this green means something outside of the money sign, because it's just too nice. And then on the back, you got your, I don't know what this, ain't got my glasses on, but it says something on the back. See what that probably something got to do with currency. Then you got your little booty on the back of this as well, right, to pull it up so it won't be digging into your heel. You got your little paper wafer, and looks like inside you got currency as well. See that? So again, I can't wait to put these on feet. Very, very excited for these. The retail price on these were $150, right? $150, right? Kind of remind me of St. Patrick's Day, right? So then in here you got your production date and all that stuff. Of course, QR codes. Know if you want to check your shoe out, by all means do so. So let me just check this other one out. Make sure they ain't got no flaws on it. Like I said, you pretty much got some pretty good materials. Like I said, it's plastic on the side. I mean, but other than that, ain't too much to the shoe. As we all know, New Balance makes some very good running shoes and very good walking shoes. So, with that being said, on my scale of 1 to 5, what do I give these concept, currency, whatever you want to call it, shoes? I think these are very, very dope. I think it was a good price point. So out of 5, I'm going to give it a 4.9 out of 5. 4.9 out of 5. Don't ask me why I chose that number. That's just what I feel deep down in my bones, all right? Deep down in the bone, I feel these are 4.9, all right? 4.9 out of 5. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about these. Was these your cup of tea? Or maybe something you may double back and get along the way. But again, like I said, I'm glad to have these in the collection, because like I said, you can't always do Jordans. I know everybody don't wear Jordans now. I think, you know, it's kind of a fad. I ain't gonna say a fad, but it's kind of slowing down. So people are looking to get into other shoes. So here's one that you might want to consider, the 1000 series. This is my first New Balance 1000. I think it's a 1000, so let me make sure. Okay, yeah. So 1000 for a discontinued $1,000 bill. So other than that, thanks for checking my videos out. Thanks for all the love and support. And if you like any of my videos, just hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and all of that good stuff. And like I said, I may miss the comment out the day or two, but promise you, I will get back to you. All right, because we're trying to hit 10K before the end of the year, so we can do our giveaway. Other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Bye.